In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front bumper cover on this Nissan Rogue. This is going to be located in the front of your vehicle. Let's get into it. On top of the grille, we're going to remove these push pins. Just use a trim tool. Just get underneath, pop the first part up, and then you can remove it. Pop those out. There's two clips on the top and the sides. You can try to reach in there and try to squeeze them a little bit. Push those back, unclip those. It's not that easy to get in behind there, but if you just pull, you can get those to release. That's released. Now we got clips down below. There's a clip right about there. So if you reach in there to release the clips down below, I'm just going to use a long flat blade screwdriver. Just get behind there, release that clip. Do the same on the other side. Just pop that out. And then in the center, there's a few clips that you're going to have to just reach in. And I'll show you these when I pull it out. There we go. Pull that off. And on ours, we have a connector right here. Disconnect the connector. For the camera in the front. You can see these are the clips. Sometimes they come out like that. Sometimes the clip will stay. You can see the clip just stayed right there. That's okay. And then the other clips that you're pushing down, you just underneath the clip, you just push it up, and then you can pull it right out. Now take these push pins out. Just use a trim tool or a straight blade screwdriver. And pop those out. On the sides, we want to take these screws out. You can just turn the tire a little bit just to access them. You don't have to remove them. Use a T20 socket. Take these screws out. Now using a trim tool, just get underneath this trim. You want to pull it over. There's a couple little retainers right there, and then just pop this up. There's some clips holding it on. Should be clips holding that on. Then right here, using a trim tool, just get underneath. You want to pop these out just like that. There's another one right here, just so that separates. See, there's a bolt right there. I'm going to unscrew that bolt using a 10mm socket. Take that bolt out. And then we're going to do the same on the other side. Underneath, we're going to remove this shield. Use a trim tool. There's push pins. Pull those push pins out. It's a little easier, just use a straight blade screwdriver, get them started. Further back, just take these all out. A few there might be some in the middle. Slide that panel down. Take these push pins out. I'm just going to use some trim tool pliers. You can use the trim tool. Pull these out. Pull those down. This one as well. Using a T20 socket, we're going to take these screws out. And when you take this one out, just hold on this little shield, pull that off. This is going to be loose like that. And then you're going to do the same on the other side. Now just grab the bumper on the sides. Just forcefully pull, pop it out, and reach down, disconnect the connector for the fog light. There's a little tab you can push down on. And just wiggle it back and forth, and do the same on the other side. And grab the bumper cover and pull it right off. Now take the bumper cover, get it close. And then you want to reach down and connect the connector for the fog lights. Connect the fog lights. Just make sure that's in place. That trim piece out of the way. It's lined up. Just slide the inner fender well in place. Get that lined up. I'm going to take this shield and get this bolt started first. And you can put the other two bolts in. Snug those down. And these bolts. And snug these down. And do the same on the other side. Now these push pins in the middle, secure those there and right there. Now I take the lower engine shield, get this lined up, and start putting the push pins in. And just push them back in place. And the ones in the back. And some of the other spots that you might have missed. Now put this screw in. Tighten that down. And take these push retainers, push those in place. Line this trim up. in and put these screws in. Snug them down. And do the same on the other side. Now I'll put the push pins back up top. Line that up, push that in. Because this push pin stayed right here, I'm just going to pop this out and put that in the grill. I'm just going to use a straight blade screwdriver. It comes out like that. It's going to go in the grill just like this. And the other side's all set. Take the grill, line it up, and push the push pins in place. That's good. I'm going to take the push pins and push those back in place. Lock them down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.